Today I have an old Panasonic inverter type microwave. This still works and it's still usable, so I'm not going to destroy it, but I would like to see what's inside. I've used a Phillips screwdriver and a small vice grips to help me remove the 5 case screws that held the cover of the microwave on, and now we can see the works. There's a very normal magnetron in here. We can see its numbers. Here's another feature that's the same as a microwave based on MOTs rather than an inverter, namely the filter that's on the AC line as it comes into the microwave, a couple of capacitors, a fuse, and a small inductor. Very normal for inside any microwave. Another feature common to inverter or non-inverter microwaves is the timer and control board. We can see at the bottom it has the usual small iron core transformer to provide the low voltage for the board electronics. No inverter here. And then the usual couple of relays, the IC, and then at the very top the connection to the display and button keyboard. The difference is when we look a little lower where we would expect to find a large microwave oven transformer. In the inverter microwave we just have this white box that can be flipped open to allow us to have a look. Now we can see a TV type flyback transformer here with a ferrite core. This is what's used to provide the high voltage for the magnetron. Let's see if we can get a better look in and at this board by moving the camera. Here I've zoomed in a little more and we can see that there's a microwave oven diode here and another microwave oven diode up top. There's some high voltage capacitors here, here, and then down the side, where it's harder to see, there's another couple of high voltage capacitors. At the very back we can see a nice aluminum heat sink, and this component here that I'm pointing to is the full wave bridge rectifier that rectifies the incoming AC from the line and turns it into DC, of course, for the inverter to work off. It's very difficult to see the switching transistor in here, but there is a large power switching transistor, probably an insulated gate bipolar transistor. They're very common in these inverters and I'm pointing to it here. Very hard to get a look at it. I'm not going to move anything because I don't want to break this microwave. I only want to look at it here. Here's another look at the inverter assembly. Here's another side view of the works. Here it is buttoned back up and ready for me to put the cover back on. Here's a last shot of the microwave reassembled. No harm was done to it. It still works. And I'll be using it here in the shop as a shop microwave. Very few tools were used to do this. A small vice grips, a flat screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver can be seen in front of the microwave. That's all that was needed to have a quick look at what's inside an inverter microwave. Thanks for watching, and as always, there'll be plenty more to come.